Hello folks, Steve here, back at it with the Andy Mac campaign. Today we have a lot of turns to go through. Been about a week since I last updated you guys. I have a little over, probably 40 turns to go over, so it's going to be a pretty long turn. So let's start off with it. So we left off on the June 27th combat turn, so we're going to start off the June 28th. So let's go through and see what happened. More bombing at Chongqing. Just planes that can't leave Chongqing is what happened here. He landed on Munda. Don't know where that is. I think that's in DEI or something. Okay, let's see what happened over here. The 3rd Tank Division destroyed the 37th Separate Brigade. Okay. Well, they'll come back at 30% tow. There we go, the 30th. So he lost a Nick to Fleck. More Nicks. I attack him at near Lachau. Reduces forts to 0. He takes some decent casualties. Okay. More sweeps. China. Sorry about that. Just had to blow my nose. So we shock attack with Chow again. We take it this time. Lots of casualty done. 3 brigades, a division, a garrison unit, reporter battalion, engineer unit, and a JFA Koi. What did he lose? Squad. Decent amount. So he lost all of his vehicles, half of his guns, and probably decent. What? So half of the about 8K worth of troops. So not bad. Oh, he did lose this unit to attrition. Okay, very nice. That is not the right thing. Give me 1 second. So today I sweep Rangoon, try to get air dominance over there. So we have P-30S. I think they're going at 30K against a bunch of these planes. So he lost 5 planes to my 1. Then P-47s come in. He lost 22, 31, 32 to my 1. 3 more planes destroyed. Another plane destroyed. 5 more planes destroyed. I think in total for today, though, if I don't remember correctly, I lost 7 planes and he lost 100. So it was like 100 to 1. It was like a 1 to 100 casualties. So it was very, very nice for me. There we go. The 3rd. So we put a shell hit into the Kenwa Maru. Interesting. He also put a shell hit into me. Bummer, they defended him off. Wow. The sub got scared. Okay. So more sweeps over Rangoon. So what, 10, 15 more planes destroyed for 0 in that battle. 2 more destroyed for nothing. And yep, He just lost a lot of planes, so very nice to me. Otisto. This Chinese core is encircled, and he's gonna slowly kill it, I think. We did an ally bombardment near Lin Chao. Eh. I was really close to encircling these units, but we'll see. You'll see here in a little bit. The force. Let's see. Anything interesting? Nope, just another attack at Lin Chao, and I'm just bombing stuff. Chungking. Bombing me near Lin Chao. Lots of damage done. Another attack near Tista. Should some decent casualties done toward him. Nothing much happening today, just more sweeps, more bombing runs. Just the good stuff. More attacks at Tisto. We captured Tungai today. That's in India. Not Burma, I mean. Ooh, this was a decent convoy we caught, but no damage done. Caught it again, no damage done though, sadly. More bombings in China. Another attack at Tifto. We attacked near Lin Chao. Heavy casualties for me. Bombings at China. Nothing much really. Tifto again. Bombardment. He actually suffered more casualties than me this time. Interesting. Okay, we're going to go to the ninth. Oh, he found my fighter base I had at Quinling. Very sad. Today, I hadn't that many fighters there yet, but I was forced to move them afterwards back into India. That way they can rebuild, replenish, such like that. I was hoping to use that base to rebuild, replenish them, then uh, ambush them at Chungking, but no luck with that. I like ground losses, lots of ground losses in China. Nothing much I can do when he's just constantly bombing me. He's gonna eventually take Tisto out, but this Chinese core is defending pretty good, man. Very surprised how long it survived. Does this still have supply? No, it does not. Yeah, and just all the minuses we have, I'm surprised it's still alive. Okay. More bombings in China. Just the normal. Oh yeah, we had a carrier raid go up near Port Moresby because I thought I detected a DD task force up there, and I wanted to go get it, but only a small XAKL was left. Though there might have been a DD task force there. Like as I was, because I was already heading up there and I saw the DD task force, so I full speeded and I only caught an XKL, so they left as soon as I got there, sadly. But any ship sunk is a good ship sunk against the Japanese, so I don't mind too much. Japanese shock attack near Linchao. Interesting. Okay. Nothing much. Just bombings in Burma, bombings in China. Or it might just be all me. Oh no, there's some bombings in China. Actually, it's mostly Burma. Up here we go. There's some bombings in China now. Another attack at Tistao. Japanese attack at Quillen. Okay. Japanese shock attack near Linchao. Okay. 13th. Anything interesting happening? Just bombs in China. I mean Burma. Bombings in China. He's still trying to take out this unit over here. I want to say he's smashing these units against them. He is slowly dwindling me down, but he is damaging that division. Oh, yeah, I sent a service combat task force into Rangoon this turn. So we got one XAKL sunk, maybe three more sunk, and two more lightly damaged. Oh, wait, we sunk two more here. And yep, that's all of them. Just trying to cause havoc, trying to sink ships, just, you know, near Linchao. I don't know where this is, but we wrecked. It's near Linchao, but I don't know where near Linchao. But we wrecked a div, a garrison unit, and a koi. Forced them away. Very nice. So he's sweeping over Quellen, probably trying to see if my units are still there. Bombings in China, sweeps in China, Burma, I mean. Just bombings over Chongqing. Just pretty normal what he's doing at this point. Nothing much really going on. Okay. Yeah, now he's finally starting to reduce the troops at Tistao. We're trying to receive troops at near Linchao. Not doing super good at it. We're losing a ton more than him. Go to the 16th. Scroll. Bombings in China, sweeps in China, sweeps in Burma, bombing in Burma, I think. Just pretty normal at this point. What am I bombing at? His AA is damaging me heavily at this height. Ground combat at Tisto, okay. Ground combat at Linchao. He captures Linchao. Yeah, he's moving his force up to relieve the units have encircled north of Linchao. Or attempting to encircle. There you go. I haven't fully encircled them yet at this point. Nothing much. Still, he's holding out pretty well. We captured a base near Chongqing, not Qingtao this turn, and destroyed 24 Tojas on the ground, which was very nice. And we pushed back a part of a division, an engineer regiment, and a JFA base force. So very nice. He'll be out without like one or two Tojo squadrons for a month. Scrolling through bombings in China. Just not much happening. Bombings in Burma still. Attack at Tistao. Nothing much going on. Okay, morning. Oh, so he put a cap up over Tunung to catch some of my bombers. Luckily, I stopped all my heavy bombers at Chittagong, but I had a lot of medium bombers out of ACAP still going in. But I had my sweep still went in, and I did a fair amount of damage to them. So we had 2 to 7 destroyed, 2 to 6 destroyed, 11 destroyed to 0, 1 to 5, 2 to 7, 4 to 6. Bombings in China. Okay, he does catch some of my medium bombers. Let's see. I think he caused a decent amount of damage, yeah. So 1 Nick was destroyed for 10 Wellingtons, 5 B-25s, 2 Mitchells destroyed here, 1 B-20 Mitchell destroyed there, 2 more of his planes destroyed, and then the rest of my bombers, if I had any more, going unscathed. None, no more came in that turn. So he tried attacking me at the hex near Lenchao, the hex that's right south below the units I'm attempting to encircle. Decent damage done to him. Some decent damage. Then I bombarded it near Linchao, that base I'm trying to encircle. And yeah, ooh, I 1,000 casualties there. Ouch. That is a lot. He's bombing me from 10,000 feet? Hmm. Nothing much going on. Well, I already knew. Okay, I haven't actually officially surrendered at Tisto now. What was the damage done this turn? Oh yeah, now I'm not putting up a fight at all. I'm just getting cleared out. Bombardment there. I tried to attack him again. Heavy casualties. Yeah, I've lost about almost 30k men to trying to attack this. Not good at all. Bombings in China, sweeps in Burma. Just, yeah. Oh, he tried to attack me. He lost a lot more. Okay. Bombardment. Okay. Nothing much is really happening. Soon the action will start to pick up. I hope. Yep, so these units are goners now. This unit is going to be dead soon. Bombardment here, okay. That bombardment's not going so well for me. Bombings in the normal places. He finally destroyed that unit. It'll come back in a little bit though. Nothing much is happening there. Oh. Aha, yeah, this turn. I accidentally had a combat, a part of a division from Adak. I was sending down south to recombine with its main unit. It got a little too close to Pearl, and he sank it. So it's not an overall loss. I have plenty of XAKLs, and it's just only support I was losing, so I'm not too worried. And then he bombed cranes today. Also, not much there to be bombed. Mostly irrelevant planes. I haven't thought about that base in a while. He attacked me again near Linchow. He got a good KD. I attacked again near Linchow. Still not causing that much damage. Same old, same old. Every single base. Anything interesting though? Oh yeah, some bombers out of Lido are bombing the troops that I'm trying to push away or slash and circle. At this point, I'm just trying to push away just to cause damage to them. So I'm bombing them from the air. Do 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 do. Then he finally pushed me south of the pocket I was trying to form. And this turn, I decided to move away, trying to encircle that, just cause what damage I can. Just gotta move my troops out of that hex, you know. And yeah, he actually destroyed a Chinese core for me. Very nice. Let's get that rebuilt back up. Oh yeah, I'm trying going to Mulmain to sink some ships. Ran into a DD task force. Minor damage done to the DD task force. We sank 2 XAKs. Hit that same DD task force again, only minor damage done. Otherwise, not much happening. Allied shock attack. Oh yeah, because this unit was crossing the river and it got completely destroyed. Yep, nothing much. Yep, nothing much. Nothing much. Nothing much happening. Starting to get calm now. Oh, okay, let me go back up. So this turn, I threw some cap into Chungking, and I ambushed him pretty much, and we could see the damage done to his force. Uh, so 5 Sallys, 3 Oscars, 16 Helenas, 8 more Helenas, 2 Franks destroyed, 4 Helenas, 24 more Helenas, another Helena, and 3 Franks destroyed, 4 Helenas destroyed, 4 Helenas destroyed. Just a lot of damage done. Oh yeah, and then near Perth, um, he had a couple small CVL task force come out, and he caught one of my engineering task forces coming from Cape Town. One of my last ones I was sending over to Perth, my major to Perth before my invasion of DEI, and he caught it. Very sad. He caught another XAKO task force that just unloaded at Perth, and he caught one of my replenishment task force that was coming from Cape Town to Perth. Luckily, you'll see over the next couple of days, but he chases it for a couple of days. He wasn't able to sink everything out of all my task forces. See here, he ran into it. Lots of ships in it. I was trying to get these APAs over into Perth, these LSTs, all this fun stuff that I need. He's destroying some of the ships that couldn't move super fast, so that's good. He's wasting sorties, hitting XKAs I don't care about right now. I'm just mainly trying to save my damn these ships. He ran into, he hit a good chunk there, sunk there, and he still tried to bomb Chungking, and he ran into more heavy stuff. Sweeps. He lost 12 francs on that sweep. Traded on that sweep. He lost more bombers on this run. Yeah, overall, I would say he got pretty good favors this turn due to the ship sunk, but not everything could go my way. Stuff like that's gonna happen. Oh yeah, he ran a DD task force into Perth. Luckily, he wasn't able to catch my sink my LSTs here. That would have really hurt. They're all loaded with supply, prepared for the DEI. He's catching more ships, catching more, catching more. Just yeah, it was a pretty rough couple turns. Sorry, my alarm is still going off. I thought I'd stop that. The fourth. Nothing much. He decided to retire, luckily for me. And then my carrier showed up near Anton Java. This was bad for me because these two, I was hoping to sneak up to truck, hoping to, but these damn ships were dead on the water. So we hit his LST here. He actually had troops on it, interestingly. And yep, now my invasion of Guadalcanal is happening. Two damage done to the Japanese. Well, we destroyed 3 sub chasers today. Very, very interesting. I think this turn, yep, we land at Tulagi. We loaded decent amount of disruptions for our loading. It's quite normal. He had some Nickies and Zeros to go attack my ship CVEs. None got through. We had a TBF go hit a XKL. Yeah, so we unloaded 2 divisions, a brigade, and a tank artillery regiment compared to 2 naval guards, the 16th Div, a couple heavy artillery, and a bunch of base forces. So we damaged. I think this is the same ship I hit yesterday. Can't remember already. So he tried. I moved my carriers down near Tulagi, and he sent a bunch of planes probably to try to attack my amphibious task force, but instead they went for my carriers. He ran into about 300 cap, I would say. 300 cap, about 250 Corsairs, couple Marlets, and about 100 Hellcats. Absolutely destroyed. Getting absolutely destroyed. Oh yeah, then I sent bombers after Tulagi to start bombing his airfield, so he can't build his forts back up. More planes going after my carriers. We reduced the forts at Tulagi to 2. Decent casualties. Go down. Do 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 do. More attacks. My task force at Tulagi got attacked. Reduced the forts again at Tulagi. Very nice damage. Okay. Oh, yep, okay. And that is the last turn before the combat report. So, let's go load up the 9th. Oh, wait. Didn't I already do the 9th? Okay, yeah, one second. I have to actually move over the 10th. So let's do the 10th combat report. Ooh, a sub got hit. Ooh, fuel burning. Cargo, very nice. Ooh, hit but no explosion, okay. We lost 6 Corsairs to that sweep today, but we were flying low trying to, because I wanted to bomb his airfield. Bombing's over to Loggy. Hellcats actually fare better than my Corsairs. Interesting. And then we have the Bomber. It's about, what do we have show up? 160 Avengers show up. Absolutely destroy a decent amount of ships on the ground, planes on the ground was the goal. Haven't completely destroyed the airfield yet, but hopefully one more good day and we'll destroy the airfield. He bombarded decent casualties before my attack, and we did not reduce the fort today. Very sad. But I think my troops are going to need to rest this turn, sadly. I think their fatigue and such is too high. Submarine next to K. Okay, and then we go to the turn. Let's see. So, 36 to 53. I want to see something. One second, guys. I want to check something. So, the last time we had 6,000 planes lost, and he had the Japanese opponent lost 10,800. So over the last 30 days, I've only lost 300 planes, and he's lost 1,000 more. Almost 1,000 more. Very nice. But today's turn, he lost. I lost 36 to 53. So let's see what I lost. He lost 33 zeros, 25 to air, 6 to ground, 2 to ops, 4 Judies, 2 to air, 4 to ground, 5 Nick E's, all to ground, 3 Howlness, 2 to ground, 1 to air, ops, 3 Graces, 1 to air, 2 to ops, 2 Sally to ops, an Emily to ground, and a Betty to ops. Okay, and what did I lose? I lost 11 Corsairs, 9 to air, 2 to ops, 6 Dauntlesses to air, 5 Hellcats, 2 to air, 3 to ops, 4 more Dauntlesses, 3 to air, 1 to ops, 4 more Helldivers, 2 to air, 2 to ops, 2 Avengers to air, 2 Seagulls to ops, a Lightning to ops, and a Marlet to air. Okay. And then, let's see, what else has majorly changed since then? So, looking back at the intel screen again, last time he had 45,400 score. Now he has 48,000, so that's 2,600 score increase. I had 31,000 pretty much, so and I've only gained 1,300. So he's still gaining more than me. Last time I had 615 ships sunk. I had 615 ships sunk. Now I have 683. I've lost a lot more. He had 538. He has 566. So he's lost okay amount. I also had 16,300 allied army points lost. Now I have 17,400. So about a 1200 increase, and he only got a 300 increase. Uh, okay, now let's go look at what ships actually got sunk. So let's look at sunk date. So we go from we have to go to the third. Oh, what the fuck? No, we don't want to go by the last month. We want to go to sunk date. Oh, we're already at the top. Okay, so we go. So he lost. A subchaser was abandoned on the 4th. Another subchaser was abandoned on the 8th. Let's go to the. He lost an Aiden, 2 my bombers. Yep, near Rangoon. He lost 3 cargo ships. All of them were EMA classes. Then we lost 2 Arcturiuses, Transmarian, and Isthmus, all near Pearl. He lost 2 more Aidens near Moulmein. We lost a subchaser. We lost an AO. And then we just lost a bunch of ships. I'm just a bunch of cargo ships carrying troops. We lost a Union class. Ugh. Just overall, it was not pretty. We lost another decently sized troop transport, another decently sized troop transports, an armored merchant cruiser, another. That's not a big one. We lost an APA. That hurts to lose. And yep. Then we're claiming he lost a submarine. Okay. He lost 3 subchasers. He lost another submarine. I'm claiming. Okay. And then we're claiming he lost the Yunsan, and I do believe that he was carrying field, 2 torpedo hits. So yeah. Okay. Let's see. I'll show what's left of the task force. Yeah. Now a lot of it got hit hard. We lost a lot of ships out of it. So I don't know. I actually haven't checked. Did I lose any units outright? They killed. Yeah, we did. We lost the 15th, the 150th U.S. Space Force. Okay, let's go buy that back. This was something else that's not a part of that. But I like to buy all my engineers back as well. Frankly, you get plenty of engineers in this entire game. Like plenty of the major things you need. Like, see, let's go look at this pool. We have 21,000 engineers. Like, if we look at the pools, we have heavy 22,000 naval support, 21,000 engineers, 9,000 aviation, 8,000 support, 5,000 motorized support. Like, we just have plenty of stuff. Like, we have enough. I don't need to worry about really rebuilding my engineers ever. Only things I ever have to worry about if an engineering unit has AA in it or squads. But I usually have plenty of squads, and most nations have plenty of AA. So let's take off the Soviet Union here. Most nations have plenty of AA, as you can see. Yeah. Okay. Now that's over. Let's go look at let's look at the combat report for this turn. And we only had an XAKL around Portland. Yeah, we have a lot of ships just sitting around on the East Coast right now. It's a little due to the fact he has submarines everywhere. And yeah. And I don't have a really good pathway since Pearl zoned right now. Oh, down to here. So I've just been using Cape Town. So that's Not gonna happen anytime soon. 84th Brigade there. Okay. He has a regiment there. Oh, he has a regiment there. Interesting. Okay. Might have to go kill that then. Or I'll just leave it there to starve. He has another part of a regiment there. He has 17th Army there. Okay. He's moving a brigade to Tarawa. He's moving XKL there. He's moving a AA gun there. Okay, not much is happening elsewhere. Do I dare? I might do that. I might send a CV to go. This one CV I'm heading to Luganville to go right up here. Try to catch that brigade. Well, anyways, folks, that was a long turn. Hope you guys enjoy it. And, well, see you guys next